today. So very happy IEEE Day to you all, and I wish that IEEE gives you ample opportunity to develop yourself and your professional and technical needs. So I will be talking through this agenda. I'll give a brief introduction because I have already been introduced, and then I will talk about IEEE REACH. And what is the technical depth, what is the membership all about, and about the organizational structure of IEEE. Then I'll talk to you about Region 10, to which we belong, and then very important aspect of IEEE, that is IEEE standards, I will be discussing, and then what are the benefits of IEEE, why we should join IEEE, and then I will be talking about IEEE and COVID-19, how IEEE has come forward during the COVID-19 to help members and volunteers to further their research and other works, and some new initiatives which have come from the IEEE and which we can take to our advantage. This is just I have already been you already know that about my experience. It comes from electronics telecommunication projects. I have done in IT infrastructure projects. Then I have done a project on supervisory control and data acquisition system, online real-time monitoring system, and a variety of projects I have done, and I have got 37 years of industry experience. This is my volunteering career, and I was section chair with Gujarat section, then I was India Council chair, then I have done a lot of volunteering with IEEE Region 10. Currently I am director-elect of IEEE Region 10, and my volunteering with IEEE, MGA in some committees, and I am also involved with some IEEE societies like Society on Social Implication of Technology and like Industry Application Society. A couple of awards which has already been mentioned while I was being introduced. This is the global reach, and this is what the potential of IEEE is, that we are approximately 419,000 plus strong members, member presence in more than 160 countries. In fact, during this pandemic, our membership is slightly down, but we used to be 422,000 plus members, and we have got 46 technical societies, which caters to almost all technical interest of our members. There are 10 regions which I will be talking about later. What is our membership strength and how strong we are in IEEE. So this is what our technical breadth is there. We organize or we sponsor more than 1,600 conferences.